everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add link on Threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Threads app. Click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Here you can see the edit profile option. Click on it. Now click on the link option. Enter a URL from any platform you like. Or you also have an option to import link from Instagram. Here I just copied and pasted the link of my Facebook account. Now click on the right button on the top right corner. Again click on the done button. And here you can see the link attached in your profile page. That is how you can add link on Threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.